Hey everybody, David and David here from Payette4.com and upphone.com, and in this video we're going to compare this knockoff pair of AirPods Pro to the real thing.
Right. So let's compare the two just in price. $12.20.
Yeah, these are $2.49 when you buy them from Apple.
Right. So 20 times more expensive.
Yep.
This also took about 20 times longer to get to me. I ordered them on AliExpress.com. They are actually the AirPodding Pro 3 wireless Bluetooth headphones. But I was amazed as soon as I took it out of the box at just how much it looked like the original AirPods box. Yep. So shall we begin the unboxing?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Break open that box. Looks just like Apple boxes. It's kind of impressive.
Yep.
And they look exactly the same.
That's pretty amazing.
It's impressive. You can also kind of feel it in your hands, like the real AirPods is heavier. You can just you can feel the difference. Take out of the case, you get the same red light.
That's actually green, David.
Case is kind of sensitive. That's okay. Yeah. So if I'm going to take this out of the case real quick too, and just kind of show you what it looks like. I mean, these are identical. The L on the fake AirPods Pro, a little bit more clearly defined there, a little bit of a darker font. Let's try connecting these AirPods Faux to your iPhone.
So let's go to the settings app and then go to Bluetooth. And I'll scroll to the bottom. Your other devices. Let's see if they show up. AirPods
They show up as AirPods Pro. It's amazing.
Wow. That is incredible. They show up as AirPods Pro.
So after you connect them to your iPhone for the first time, they do have a kind of a similar interface with the iPhone that you would get on.
Yeah, well, let's bring the other ones over here. I mean,
it's a really good fake. It's a really good fake. Well, we need to test out the audio to see how good it really is.
We do indeed.
Yep. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. We're going to listen to the same songs we listened to when we compared dozens of pairs of headphones. We'll link to those in the description section of this video. Now we got a little bit of a crash here. So normally, regular AirPods Pro, you just open them up, hold them next to the phone, and then they would work.
Right.
Did it connect?
Because I already had it connected.
Let's try connecting these fake AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Normally, with a regular pair of AirPods Pro, you just open it up, hold it next to the phone, and you'll see an on-screen prompt. Let's tap connect.
All right, connecting.
One thing we noticed as we were trying to make this video is that something funky is going on where these AirPods Pro fake ones keep like breaking the screen recording.
Right.
Not sure what's going on there. Something to be aware of. And this
a little bit of a blank screen going on.
Watch that a little bit.
But I'll just tap the X. They're connected, so let's do our audio test.
All right, I'll put these in my ears and we'll give our songs a listen.
All right, let's do it. A little glitchy so far.
A little glitchy, yeah.
All right, hold on.
So it's kind of spinning out right now. It was supposed to be connected, and it said it was connected, and now we're getting just an endless spinning circle. These things like broke in your phone. That's a new iPhone 12 too.
Broken.
Let me try the iPhone 11. Let's bring this in.
If this doesn't work, I'll take out an iPhone 5.
All right, here we go. AirPods Pro. It's there. Tap connect. Okay. There we go. All right. All right, well, let's put them in, and hopefully this case is like really...
Oh, you don't like the case for $12?
It's working. The hand controls do work. While you're testing this out and listening to the songs, I'm going to plug our best headphones videos. These would not make my list, spoiler, but you can see our favorite headphones, over-ear, on-ear, and earbuds. We'll link to all those in the description section below. So these do have a transparency mode. Melissa says they have a transparency and a noise canceling mode. Yeah,
so this feature doesn't work.
Yeah, noise canceling not working.
Do you have like an EQ on or something, or is it just really bad? It's super loud. It sounds like if somebody was playing music on high quality speakers, but like behind that wall, and we had to listen to it. Like, that's kind of what it sounds like.
Yeah.
There's absolutely zero high end in these headphones.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of my notes are like, these just, you're getting what you pay for. These sound like $12 headphones.
It's all bass, and then like a little bit of mid-range. Yeah.
I think it's important to say, like, when you say it's all bass, it's not like good bass, though.
No, it's awful. These can hardly be called like headphones.
Yeah. You said at the beginning of the video, like, are the real AirPods 20 times, worth 20 times as much as these? And I didn't think my answer would be yes, but it is yes.
They are. But I mean, do you want to even listen to the real ones?
I don't think we need to.
I don't think we need to
Yeah,
either.
I mean, these are just really
We thought that we were going to have these, and then we're going to compare them to the real AirPods, which were part of our best earbuds roundup, as David mentioned before, and we don't need to because
these are really bad. And they also cause a bunch of problems in your iPhone 12.
They did. I think the number one flaw with these headphones is that they sound
bad. Yeah.
terrible.
If you want to find a good pair of earbuds, check out links in the description again. I'll mention it. Best Earbuds 2021. We compared 13 pairs head to head, and you might be surprised at the difference in quality. Last question: these headphones or the Jabras?
The Jabras.
Jabras. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave a
But are the
comment.
Jabras 18 times better than these? I don't know.
I don't think so.
That's
Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos about headphones.
You're not in last place anymore, Jabras.